Welcome to Tarrant County College, Fall 2011. I'm going to guide you through the process on accessing the distance learning website that you will be using. And I recommend that you save this in your favorites so that you will easily access this information. This is what you will do. You will go from the TCC website, you will go to the campus and centers and select distance learning. From here, you will log into the virtual classroom that includes Logic Campus and Blackboard, both environments. From here, you might have to scroll down a little bit and choose a course. From the courses that are listed, you're going to look for MATH 0304 Beginning Algebra. It doesn't really matter which one of the two sections you select, as you're going to be able to choose between the sections once you're inside of Blackboard. So you will need to know which one of the two sections you have registered for, but at this point it doesn't really matter. I'm going to select the first one. Click on Go, and this will take you to the home page of Blackboard. I had already opened the Blackboard website. So this is what you will see. This is a home page for Blackboard. The username and the password are the same ones that you use for WebAdvisor. Enter your username and password. This will take you into the Blackboard homepage, and you'll select, at this point you do need to select which one of the sections you're registered in. So look quickly at your registration, at your schedule, to see which one you have registered for. Select the section. This is the homepage for the course. Here I will have listed the announcements for the course. And here you will see the standard of policies and procedures for online courses. And down here I included a handy dandy calculator that you can access if you need to. I just wanted to make you aware of that. As for the announcements, in here you will be able to see the orientation and the checklist. You may start at this point. Is my welcome page. You can start the orientation here. You can go to the course sections. Another form for you to access that, so you can go to announcements, or you can go to another link that is labeled as start here. And this will show you information about the syllabus, or sometimes it is called instructor course requirements, or ICR. I have also included in here the orientation videos for the course. The lessons will be on the menu on the left. This is the main navigation. The lessons are on the left side. You have a lesson for orientation, and then you have a lesson for each test is contained in a lesson module. You are to watch the orientation videos, register for my math lab if you have not done so. We also recommend that you print the syllabus for the course so you'll have it available or know how to access that, and also go to the discussion board for introductions. That's basically what needs to occur during the first 2 or 3 days of this course. After you complete this, you go to the lesson orientation, and there is a survey. It's an orientation test that contains 10 easy questions that can be answered from the syllabus. You can also use this, what is called the crumbs. This can be also your navigation to go back to your first location. And if I select lessons, you will be able to see that we have the lessons for chapter 2, which is the content of your first test. You also have the lessons for chapter 5, which is the content for your test 2, so on and so forth. So this is basically where you will receive the instructions. I will be enhancing each one of these with videos that I will create as I go, which is a new feature that I plan to add. Also on the left, you will be able to see the link to the discussion board. This is also where you will post your introductions. Also, you will, as part of your first test, you will also do a test one review problem explanation. And I invite you to explore all the different links that we have on the left. But again, the lessons will guide you through the main components of the course. Another part that is important is the one that is technical support. And it's good to know where to go, what do I need to do if I have problems. So if you have problems with my math lab, this is where you will go. We have the phone number there. If you have problems with Blackboard, this is what you will do. If you have math problems, that's when you will contact me. So I just wanted to highlight who to call when you have problems. And your grades will be listed where it says my grades for the course. So again, I invite you to explore all these links. I also have a direct link to my math lab. I also have it linked to Campus Cruiser, which is what you will use to email your instructor. And remember to indicate Math 0304 Beginning Algebra Online. That's it for this video. I look forward to hearing from you, to reading your discussions, and remember, you can do it. Take care. Goodbye.